Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to edit photos in Canva. Yeah, even if you're totally new, the tools are super easy to use. So let's jump right in. So first, open a new project. You can choose any canvas size, but for quick photo edits, I usually go with a simple square layout. It just keeps things, neat. Now let's bring in your photo. Head to the Uploads tab, click Upload, and select the picture you want to work on. Once it loads, just drag it onto the canvas. All right, once your photo is selected, you'll see the Edit panel pop up. Start with the basics: brightness, contrast, saturation. These sliders can fix most photos with just tiny adjustments. If you want a more stylized look, scroll down to the Filter section. Canva has light, warm, cool, vintage, all kinds of presets. Just click one and then tweak the intensity so it doesn't look too heavy. Next up, the background remover. This is super useful if you want a clean cutout. Click the background remover button and Canva handles the rest. If the edges look a bit soft, you can refine them in the brush tool. So Canva also has tools like autofocus, blur, and drop shadows. Autofocus creates that nice portrait blur behind your subject, and shadows make the cutout feel more natural. Just play with the strength until it looks right. If you need to turn the edit into a graphic, add text or simple shapes. Go to the Text tab, pick a font, and place it wherever you need. It's great for social posts or quick thumbnails, and when everything looks good, click the Download button in the top right corner. Choose high-quality PNG or JPG for photos. And yeah, that's your fully edited picture. So yeah, that's the quick rundown on editing photos in Canva. It's simple, it's fast, and you can get really clean results with just a few tweaks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next